what's up, Rams? It's your boy, Drakey Cakey, back at you with another video, and today I'm here with Caleb.
Hey, Rams. Last week, we had a game against East, which we won.
Hooray!
And coming up this week, we have flex time and midterms.
And if you want more information about flex time, Anthony's going to send you watching, and it's going to happen right now. Hurrah! Big explosion. What's up, guys? Drakey Cakey here, back at you with more information about flex time. I'm here with Caleb. What's up, Klaus? And we're going to tell you about it. So it's happening every Tuesday and Wednesday. It's 15 minutes at the end of every day, and it's one-on-one help with a teacher. Make sure to go contact your teacher if there's anything extra that you would like to know. Also, make sure to attend your class because it is very crucial to your student getting behind. That's all, Rams. Thanks for joining us, and go Rams!
Hey guys, who am I here with?
I'm Charlotte.
I'm Isaac.
I'm Isla.
And I'm Lulu.
Jonathan.
William.
Michelle.
What are you guys' grades looking like for midterms? Are they good or are they bad?
I would say pretty good, mostly like A's, A minuses.
I've got all A's except in yoga, where I missed a day, so I got a bad participation grade.
They're all A's, looking pretty good, except for biology, gotta be in that.
I've got all A's. Pretty cool.
They're mid. They're not that good.
Not that good?
They're looking good.
They were fantastic, just so you know.
And then who do you guys think wins in a rap battle? A unicorn or a liger? What's a liger?
What's a liger?
It's a lion tiger.
Oh,
Yeah. It's like a hybrid.
a liger. Yeah, a liger.
Liger?
Think about the life experience that liger has. Think of his like varied background, you know? Rap needs to come from the heart, and that liger's got a lot of heart.
all right.
Well said.
Yeah. Well said. I also think the liger would win.
Yeah, I also think liger because it sounds cooler than a unicorn.
A liger.
The liger? Why?
Because it's a tiger. A tiger, it's, you know,
It's better.
it's strong.
Yeah, okay, yeah, makes
Strong.
sense. I agree.
A liger, because it is practically the most powerful animal ever. Thank you.
Yep.
It gotta be the unicorn.
Yeah.
I mean, I got the magical powers.
Mm-hmm.
You can't beat it.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Today we're going to learn about the importance of oil and checking it weekly.
You're gonna want to pull it out and make sure it's clean.
You pull it out and put it on your hand to see the color.
And check to make sure it's not gritty.
If it's at the low line, you add half a quart of oil to make it to the full line.
It's important to check your oil weekly.
Hi Htvs, I'm Strider Murphy here at Sugar House Park in protest of gun violence.
I'm Isaac Barry.
Why do you think that it's important for people to be participating in events like this with their community?
It brings everyone together and it shows that there truly is an issue and that something needs to be done. Specifically with how often school shootings happen here, it's something that we've had to fix for years now.
Hi, my name is Erin Holt-Sandoval, and I'm a senior at Highland High School.
Do you think that there's any important symbolism behind the idea of walking out of a school?
I think it's very important. I mean, first of all, you can see the people who are being directly impacted by this. School shootings are affecting our youth, they're affecting the kids in school, the students. And so the fact that we're walking out of the place that promised to protect us and failed, I think is very important. You could see that the students care.
I'm Austin Clayton.
I'm Alexander Watt.
What would you say that this movement as a whole means to you as someone who, is a student at Highland, is here every day?
I feel like we could update it to have a more safer and better environment for people who are legally obligated to be places.
In the current state we live in the United States of America, the Constitution is openly defied on a daily basis, which, granted, yes, guns are able to be carried into schools. That's a flaw. More students die every year in the United States than days of the year. And I like being alive. That's what the movement's for. The movement is to be alive.
Hi, I'm Macy Robbins. I'm a senior here at Highland High.
What does this movement mean to you as a person?
It means that we we need to stop gun violence because there's already so much going on that us as teenagers and our parents have to worry about us going to school every day. And just adding gun violence and guns being in law and normalized in our society, it just adds extra pressure onto